What's up, everybody? And they got a mail call right over here. And earlier videos we did, we saw what came out of John's box, and this is mine. And we're gonna find out what I have, which I'm kind of nervous because I don't want him to do that same crapola cheer for me, bro. You know what I mean? So,
So this is a Christmas in July
Christmas in July.
pull. It's $20 pulls.
Yeah.
And it had 3.
Yeah. So,
And it says it would have 4 die cast for $20.
so we'll see.
Shipping included.
Yeah. So we'll see how good it is, and hopefully I don't get leftover crap. But
It's a really good deal.
once again, this happens only on.
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Yeah, all right, so let's just dig into it right here. Here we go. Let me move this out of the way. Put them over here. Okay, so once again, I don't know what I got. So they're claiming you can get some pretty... Oh. This is the stuff I wanted, and you got like 2 of, right?
Oh, yeah. See, good thing I never gave you mine.
All right,
Wait,
so...
what's the number on it?
What is the number on it? Can you see the number on there?
Too close. Oh, it's 164 out of 2,000.
Nice. Okay, wait.
Okay, so it's good so far.
Yeah, so far it's good. Okay, good, plenty.
Plenty foam.
Yeah.
I see. I know, like.
Oh God! I knew I was gonna get this one again, but that's okay. I like Camaros, bro.
Surprise! I thought it was Hot Wheels though.
That's okay. You know, I like Camaros, so it's all good.
You repaint that one.
Yo, I'm not taking this one out to repaint.
Hey, that rear wheel looks weird. Different from the front.
Yeah, it is.
Slide it over to the left and bring it closer. Left. Yeah, there be closer. Yeah, that rear wheel looks bigger than the front one. Like
The hub looks bigger. Yeah.
Cool. All right.
All right. Okay. So there's supposed to be 12 in here, then, right?
Should be 12.
Okay.
So that's 2. Oh yeah.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me, bro!
And-
You guys suck if I get all these cars, bro.
Ta-da!
Man, you guys better not give me all these cars. You guys are gonna suck ass, bro. I'm gonna be pissed.
You are the biggest supporter of the Las Vegas Toy Con. Hey, now you don't have to go con now.
Oh, what is this?
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
oh.
That's nice.
All right. I got an 53 Corvette
Oh, that is nice.
for an annual Wild Weekend of Wheels. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
What date? 2004?
oh, what does it say? I can't see. 2004?
Because I'm missing the
Yeah.
3 out for next.
Gee, I guess they couldn't give me a freaking Cayenne Protector for that. All right, so
Okay, that's 4.
I shoot another one. Ooh, okay.
Well, you got a root beer too.
Oh, nice. Okay, this is cool.
Okay.
All right.
Now you don't have to steal mine.
Yeah, now I'm not gonna jack yours.
Okay, that's number 2.
Yeah. So I got 2.
Yeah.
That one is 2. Yeah, sorry, I know I suck at this. That one is 6. All right, so we'll see what I got.
Yeah. I didn't know there was more than.
Oh, I got the
you
Vidal
got it.
bug. Yeah.
Yeah. Now you don't have to take mine.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. Okay.
Oh, see, I thought there was only 4 cars. There's actually at least 6.
Ooh, ooh.
'Cause I got 1, 2, and 4. I'm missing.
Ooh.
Oh, you got 2.
I got another one, everybody. Look at that.
Oh, you can open 1.
I don't know what you just said. It sounded like gibberish to me.
Now you can open 1.
I still cannot hear what the hell you
Now you
said.
can open 1.
Ah, my hearing is going. Oh, I got another root beer. I think I got probably dual of that.
Yeah, there's 2 now.
Okay, so not that I'm complaining, but
Those are nice.
oh, which one is this?
Oh, I got that one too.
Bugger was bent. You see him?
Yeah. Okay.
Well, that's okay. I'm not mad. At least I got something different, and I actually like this one.
Oh.
Okay.
Wild Weekend of Hot Wheels. Yeah, how much we have out? So that's 4, 8. This
Ooh,
9,
another vet.
10. Wow, number 6.
So is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10?
Oh, 2 more. 2 more.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Gotta make some room. I think these are M2s, bro.
Mm.
Okay.
So we just put more skid marks over those words.
Oh, well, what I say? And make sure there's nothing else.
Then you can get more room up there.
Yeah. Okay, so let's move. Hey, check me. I got a golden ticket in there, bro.
Nah, no more. The one on the bottom is not a golden ticket.
Okay. If this is the 71 Camaros, which I think it is.
Oh, yeah, they got those. Oh, they have more.
Yeah. I mean, I hope it's something different, but, you know. I won't. Oh, no. Okay, so it's one of them is the same right here.
Yep.
And this one is 750 pieces. And I got...
Oh, the Datsun. I mean, Skyline.
Didn't you get this? You got this one too, right?
Yeah.
And this one is 750 too. Oops, there you go.
Oh.
You know what? I'm actually happy, but this is a not bad buy, bro.
Yeah. I mean, just this one
Yeah.
right here is absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Now you can open one. You have to.
Well, actually, I like this one right here. I mean, I wanted yours, bro.
Yeah, he was hitting me hard up for that one.
So, you know what, bro? This was man. I thought they was gonna give me like 5 of these, bro, and I've been like, as much as I like Camaros, I don't want 5. You know what I mean?
Well, you got 2 so far.
Yeah. So you know what? This is a good pool, bro. I'm pretty ecstatic. So,
cool.
Oh, wait, we gotta check one thing though. I want to make sure that it's not bent. This thing.
Well, I have 2 you can select from if it's...
Okay, never mind then. I'll go check them later. Okay, everybody, thanks for kicking it with us. I can't get everything in the picture over there, so. But like and subscribe. Mahalos for kicking it with us and staying all the way to the end and dealing with our erratic behavior.
Shenanigans.
Yeah, shenanigans. Yeah. No skid marks. So we'll be back again with another video next week, and I'm just tripping out right now because I'm actually like in a good mood because this was a good price and I got pretty good stuff. I mean, it would have been cool if I got what you got, but you know what? For what I paid, I'm cool with this, man.
Oh yeah, this one was a special pull though.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one here.
Because it said I could get the candy striper and something else, but that's okay. Probably if I spent more money, they probably throw it in, or maybe not. I would have got more Camaros, but that's all good. I'm cool. All right, everybody, we out of here. This is
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Okay, let's back this up. Shoots.